Good morning, students. So today we will start JEE main and advanced questions. And last period I had discussed the CET. I had discussed. So 2004 to 2020 problems I have solved. Today, main and advanced. Okay. The first question. If f of x equal to sin square x plus sin square x plus pi by 3 plus cos x into cos of x plus pi by 3 and g of 5 by 4 equal to 1, then G composition of X is first option 1, second option 0, third option 5 by 4 and D. So third option 5 by 4, fourth option minus 5 by 4. This question is asked 19 advance 1996. So what is f of x is sin square x plus sin square of x plus pi by 3 cos x into cos of x plus pi by 3. Then g of 5 by 4 is 1. Then g composition f of x is options are given. Okay. See totally this is trigonometric function. See that when you are substituting x value, definitely you will get answer. So what is the value of x substituting? So it is easy. You have to calculation must be easy only. So x0, better you take x0, f of 0 equal to it is 0. Sin square pi by 3, sin 60 degree root 3 by 4, cos 0 is 1 and cos 60 degree 1 by 2. So what is the 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2? 5 by 4. So what is f of 0? 5 by 4. Now what is the question? Now g composition f of x, g into composition function. Now I am taking x is 0, g into f of 0. So g of f of 0, 5 by 4. So it is given g of 5 by 4 is 1. So it is 1. So what is the option? 1 is the correct. But I am substituting, but I am not solving that sin square is still the function. So many methods are there. So now better substitution क्या करना बोले तो 0 डालना. कई कोई 0 डालना बोले तो कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा इजी होता है. अब x is pi by 2 भी डाल सकते, pi by 3 भी डाल सकते. Whatever you take, you should take any real value that definitely get. But I am taking x0. So this problem answer 5 by 4. I think g into f of 0 is 5 by 4. So g of 5 by 4 is 1. This is the first question. Problem 2, second problem. If f of x equal to a minus x to the power n 4 raised to 1 by n, where a is greater than 0 and n is positive integer, then f into f of x or even f into f of x is first option minus x, second option is x, third option is n, fourth option is 2x. Now it is advance 1983. What is the question? F of x is a minus x to the power n whole raised to 1 by n. A is positive, n also positive integer. A is positive, n is positive integer. So remember students, some problems are there that only should had only there because it takes more time. Okay, this is only standard problems you have to bear it. So f of x is a minus x to the power n whole raised to 1 by n. A positive, n is positive. These two have to remember. So this problem always x only. So a is positive and n is belongs to natural number. Always f into f of x is equal to x. Even you can solve it, even steps also is there. Whether you substituting f of x and after f of x you take any value z, f of z, and definitely comes x only. Okay. So what is the problem? F of x is equal to a minus x to the power n whole raised to 1 by n. Always what? X. F into f of x. Always below this is equal to what? F into f of x. I think f into f of x is x means and this concept I already explained in theory also, and it is called identity function. What is called? Identity function. When in this problem f into f of x is f, what is the inverse? Inverse means f inverse of x equal to f of x. Suppose this problem is asking what is the inverse, means this f of x is the inverse itself. F is a given function is the inverse. When it is given function is inverse, f composition f of x is x. What is the name of f into f of x is x? This is called identity function. What is called? Identity function. Okay. For example, you take one more example. F of x is equal to 2020 minus x to the power 2020 whole raised to 1 by 2020. What is the question? F composition of f of x. So this is always x only. Options will be there 2020 first option. When 2020 means the most options 2020 only is that. Okay. F into f of x is x always. Okay. So this is 1983. Right. Problem 3. Let R be the set of real numbers if f from R to R, if f from R to R is a function defined by f of x equal to x square, then f is first option injective but not surjective. Second one is surjective but not injective. Third one, bijective. Option 4, none of these. None of these. Actually, this problem is oral question only, because this is a theory question only. F of x is equal to x square. Power of x is even, the function f is not 1, 1, because 1 and minus 1. F of 1 is 1 is equal to f of minus 1. So 1 not equal to minus 1. Therefore, f is not 1, 1. 1, not 1 means not injective. Not inject. Also, f is not onto. Why is it not onto? So, negative real numbers of codomain, negative real numbers of codomain do not have free images. Don't have free images. And this problem neither injective nor surjective. Neither injective, surjective means not there. So option is none of these. So even if none of these not there, what is the correct answer? Neither injective nor surjective. Followed or not? This is okay. F of 1 is f of minus, both are same, 1 not equal to minus, f is not. So even you take onto, f of x is equal to x square. Okay, f of x is y. This onto formula. So what is y equal to x square equal to y? What is x? Plus or minus root y. So this is does not belongs to, or even complex numbers also will get y negative real number, and so domain is not real number. Okay. So anyhow, this problem is neither injective nor bijective. Option 4 is the correct. Option 4 is the correct. None of these. Problem 4. If f of x is equal to x plus 1 whole square minus 1, x greater than or equal to minus 1, then the set x such that f of x equal to f inverse of x is, first option 0, 1 minus 3 plus I root 3 by 2 minus 3 minus I root 3 by 2. Second option 0, 1 minus 1. Third option 0 minus 1. Fourth was empty. Options given. F of x is equal to x plus 1 whole square minus 1. So x greater than minus 1. Then the set x, f of x is f inverse of x. So options are there. Okay. So very important question. It is given f of x is f inverse of x. Given f of x is equal to f inverse of x, I think you know the identity function. F composition f of x is x. But you tell f inverse, then both are equal. Okay. That f of x is equal to y. F of x equal to y. What is f of x? X plus 1 whole square minus 1 equal to y. X plus 1 whole square equal to y plus 1. What is x plus 1? Where to take plus 1? Root y plus 1. X value minus 1 root of y plus 1. X means f inverse of y. F inverse of y is same as f inverse. I think this is f inverse of x. f inverse of y, then f inverse minus 1 root of x plus 1. I am taking on to formula x value in terms of y. What is x? X value f inverse of y. F inverse of y is x, no? You got f inverse of y, this is f inverse of y only. The inverse, f inverse of x also correct. Interchanging x and y. F inverse of x is minus 1 plus root. This is it. So what is the given? Given f of x is equal to f inverse of x. What is f of x? X plus 1 whole square minus 1. Minus 1 plus root x plus 1. And minus 1 plus cancel, x plus 1 whole square equal to root x plus 1. Squaring on both sides, x plus 1 whole raised to 4 equal to x plus 1. Take one side, x plus 1 common, x plus 1 whole cube minus 1 equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 1 whole cube equal to 1. X is minus 1 or x plus 1 equal to 1, x is what? 0. So your answer is 0 minus 1. So this is the correct answer. But he is asking then the set. Set में लिखना है. So what is the answer? X value 0 and minus 1. So f of x is y. It is given condition f of x equal to f inverse of x. F inverse of x equal to f of x is x plus 1 whole square. Now I want to x value in terms of x. I am solving f inverse of x. F of x is y means you will get f inverse of x. पहला f inverse of y आता है, बाद में x inverse of x. So I think this is equal. So very simple. Calculation is very simple. And 0 and minus 1. So here x plus 1 is 1 cube. X plus 1 is 1. Cube roots. Real roots you have to write. X plus 1 is 1. X is 0. So option 3 is the correct. So this question is asked in the year 1995. 1995. This question in JEE Advance. Next, problem number 5. If the function f from 1 to infinity, I think greater than 1, tends to again 1 to infinity, greater than 1, is defined by f of x is equal to 2 to the power x into x minus 1. Then f inverse of x. So I can repeat is inverse is asking. First option 1 by 2 whole raised to x into x minus 1. 1 by 2, 1 plus root 1 plus 4 log x to the base 2. 1 by 2, 1 minus root 1 minus 4 log x to the base 2. Option 4, not defined. Not defined. So this is question number 5. Even this also previous question, I think 1999. This 1999. Advance only. It is advance. Okay. Right. if the function is f from greater than 1 to greater than 1, and is also greater than 1, it is given f of x, it is asking inverse function f inverse of x, okay, f inverse of x. Now you start functions, how to start that function, right, better you take this is y only, f of x is y equal to 2 to the power x into x minus 1, okay. I am taking f of x is y is applying log to the base 2, log y to the base 2, x into x minus 1, taking log on both sides to the base 2, okay. So x square multiplying minus x minus take left side, right side only, x square minus x minus log y to the base 2. So this is the quadratic equation in x equal to minus b, I think plus 1 plus or minus root b square 1 minus plus 4 is 4 log y to the base 2 whole divided by 2. But here you got plus and minus. I think minus is not possible. Better you consider 1 plus. What is x, you know? F of x is y. What is f inverse? I think this is f inverse of y equal to 1 plus root of 1 plus 4 log y to the base 2 divided by 2, or f inverse of x, interchanging y and x, 1 plus root of 1 plus 4 log x to the base 2 whole divided by 2. You check which option is correct. Option 2 is the correct. Very simple. I am taking f of x is y. So applying log on both sides to the base 2. So this type write inverse. Suppose is asking inverse question. Okay. Problem number 5. Then in advanced 1999. Okay. Next, question number 6. Question number 6. Sixth question. Let g of x equal to 1 plus x minus greatest integer and f of x is equal to minus 1 x less than 0, 0 x is 0 and 1 x greater than 0. Then for all x, f into g of x is equal to first option x, second option is 1, third option is f of x, fourth one is g of x. So this also is asked advanced 2001 only. 2001. I think this is called Signum function. F of x is Signum function. F of x is 1 plus x minus greatest integer of x. F of x is minus 1, x less than 0, 0 less equal to 0, 1, x is positive. If x is positive, 1 is answer. X is negative, minus 1. X is 0, 0 is answer. So he is asking f into g of x. You don't know what is g of x, okay? It's very simple. The right solution the integral of x, g of x value 1 only. If x is integral of x, if g of x, if x is integral of x, suppose x is 1, 1 minus 1, 0 answer. I think g of x is 1. X is 2, 2 minus 2, 0 only. G of x is 1. But x is integral, integral, non-integral. X is integral, so what is your g of x answer? 1 only. So x is positive, x is negative. Non-integral of x. Non-integral of x minus greatest integer must be positive. X minus greatest integer is positive. When this is positive, g of x is greater than 1. Therefore, g of x greater than or equal to 1. I think simply write g of x is 1. I'll repeat once again. The integral of x, g of x value 1. Integral में तो इधर डालना है 2 डाले तो ab2 आता ab2 आता 1 is answer. Okay. 3 डाले ना ab3 आता है -3 answer 1. Integral of x is answer 1. So non-integral of x, non-integral दो condition है, x is positive, x is negative. So non-integral of x, this value must be positive only. X minus greatest integer always positive. If it is positive means g of x should be greater than or equal to 1. I think it is g of x is 1. A भी explain करता हूँ तुम्हारे को less than 0. Suppose a minus 1.5. I think non-integral minus a positive, I think this is a 1.5, a minus, even you take this is 2, a minus 2, ab minus 2 लिखे ना, a minus 2 आता and minus 3, a plus 3 आता. This is, what is the greatest integer of minus 2? Minus 3. Minus plus 3. What is the minus 2 plus 1? So anyhow, non-integral this is always positive. So g of x is 1. Now, f into g of x is 1. And 1 is positive, negative, 1 is positive. So answer is 1. I think f of 1 is 1. Because 1 is positive. Positive answer में क्या है? 1 है. So your answer is second question. Then what is integral of x, g of x value? Integral of x, x value, g of x value 1. Non-integral of x, x minus greatest integer of x is positive, g of x should be greater than or equal to 1. Simply g of x is 1. So g of x is 1, f of 1 is 1. F of 1 is 1 means what? 1 is positive. That answer is right. Seventh question. If f from 1 comma infinity to 2 comma infinity is given by f of x is equal to x plus 1 by x, then f inverse of x equal. First option, x plus root of x square minus 4 by 2. Second option, x by 1 plus x square. Third option, x minus root x square minus 4 by 2. And fourth option, none of this. So this is 2001 advance. Right? This question is asked 2001. So very simple. I think already most of problems I solved that inverse only. When it is given f of x, better take f of x is y. Let f of x is equal to y. Okay, y equal to x plus 1 by x. Else xy equal to x square plus 1. X square minus xy plus 1 equal to 0. That f of x is y means x square minus xy plus 1. This is also quadratic equation in x only. So x equal to minus b. I think minus plus y plus or minus root of y square minus 4ac 4a y square minus 4 by 2. So what is x? F inverse of y equal to y plus root y square minus 4 by 2. So this is f inverse of y only. He is asking f inverse, just interchanging. F inverse of x equal to x plus root of x square minus 4 by 2. This is positive only, x square minus 4, because x greater than 2. So y greater than 2, y greater than or equal to, I think totally it's positive answer only. Y greater than 2, y greater than 2, y greater than or equal to 2. Okay, this is answer. So which option is there? X plus root of x square minus 4 by 2. Option 1 is the correct. Now, eighth problem. Eighth problem. The previous problem is asked 2001. Okay. Let E equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and F equal to 1, 2. Then the number of onto functions. Number of onto functions from E to F is option 1, 14, 16, 12 and 8. So this is advance 2001 only. He is asked one more question. Now already is one question is over, and same here he asked two questions to function. He is asking onto functions. What is the question? Onto. Right, solution is very simple. What is n of E? N of E means totally number of elements of E is 4, elements of F is 2. Already that previous class only I have given. Number of onto function, number of function from set A to set B. Suppose the set B is containing only 2 elements. Here F is containing only 2 elements. So what is the number of onto functions? Number of onto functions from E to F. 2 to the power n or 2 to the power m, whatever it. 2 to the power n minus. N is 2 to the power 4. this sorry minus 2 minus. This 2 is number of elements in set. Number of onto functions, the set B is containing only 2 elements. So we get minus 2. So I think 16 minus 2 is 14. Option 1 is the correct. Number of onto functions. Otherwise, not only 2 elements, I given formula, summation. Suppose more than 1 is there. The E is containing one more element. Only 2 means this formula is there. If it is more than, what is the given? Summation R equal to 1 to N minus 1 to the power N minus R, N CR, R is to M. So M is number of elements of set A, N is number of elements. Let you take this is better M, don't confuse. But M is number of elements of set, okay? Option 1 is the correct. So 9th question, problem number 9. Let f of x is equal to alpha x by x plus 1, x not equal to minus 1. Then for what value of alpha is f into f of x is equal to x. First option root 2 minus root 2 1 minus 1. There are 4 options given. First option root 2 minus root 2 1 minus 1. So very simple, f into f of x is x. F into f inverse of x. F into f of x is equal to x. What is the name of the function? Identity function. In this condition, f inverse of x equal to what? F of x. F inverse of x equal to f of x. F composition f of x is x. So f inverse of x equal to f of x. अब क्या करना है, इसको f inverse of x सॉल्व करना. Let f of x is equal to y. Alpha x divided by x plus 1 equal to y. Alpha x equal to xy plus y. X common, alpha minus y equal to y. What is x? Y by alpha minus y. What is x here? F inverse of y equal to y by 2 minus y. So what is f inverse of x is equal to x by, this is not 2, alpha only, alpha minus y. So this is f inverse of. Then both are equating. Okay. So what is f inverse of x? X by alpha minus y. Now what is equation 1? Equation 1 becomes, and substituting here, f inverse of x is x by alpha minus 1. What is f of x? Alpha x by x plus 1. So cancel x not equal to 0. Better cancel. Otherwise not cancel. Okay. Cross multiply. But he is telling this is x alpha x. Cross multiply. X square. What is x value? F inverse of x is x by alpha minus x. X by alpha minus x. Okay. And cross multiply x square plus x, alpha x into alpha minus x. X square plus x, alpha square x minus alpha x square. We will take x square common, 1 plus alpha plus 1 x common, 1 minus alpha square. So where is mistakes? Okay, equal to 0. I think 1 plus alpha is 0, 1 minus alpha square is 0, alpha value minus 1 or alpha is plus or minus 1. Common, therefore common value minus 1. So repeat once again. So what is the given f of composition f of x is x means f inverse of x is f of x. So you don't know what is f inverse of x. So if you want f inverse of x, you write f of x is y. So f inverse of x is substituting, write equal, and most common value 1 minus 1, here also minus 1. So this is problem number 9. So one more problems, this 10 problems. Tenth question. Tenth problem. If f from 0 comma infinity to 0 comma infinity and f of x is equal to x by 1 plus x, then f is 4 options 1 1 and on 2. Second one is 1 1 but not on 2. Not on 2. Number 3 on 2 but not 1 1. Fourth one is neither 1 1 nor on 2. See which option is correct. But in this problem also it is 2003. This question he asked 2003. 2003 advance. Okay. And problem is very simple. Right, solution. F of x is equal to x divided by 1 plus x. So 1 1 onto is one more method is geometrical meaning. So the function is increasing, decreasing. When you say the increasing function, f dash of x equal to, in differentiation quotient rule, 1 minus x 1 by 1 plus x whole square. So f dash of x is x cancel 1 by 1 plus x whole square. So what is here? F dash of x is positive. F is strictly increasing. What increasing means this symbol, strictly increasing. Therefore, when function f is strictly increasing or decreasing, f is 1 1. F is 1 1. This is very important. So which method? Derivative method. How to solving 1 1 and onto the method of derivatives. So derivative is always positive, increasing. If it is negative, decreasing. Increasing or decreasing function is 1 1. Increasing function means this one. Okay. So decrease means this. Suppose this is this increasing, this decrease. Complete means neither increase nor decrease. I think dy by f dash of x is 0 only. So what is next question? Whether it is onto or not. Onto or means you have to check whether it is possible as the codomain is possible or not. Better take f of x is y only. Y equal to x by, what is x? X by 1 plus x. Y plus xy equal to x. X, y minus 1 equal to minus y. What is x? Y by 1 minus 1. You know what is the codomain? 0 comma infinity. But here range equal to So what is the range? Range of f equal to 0 open interval. But what is the given? Codomain equal to codomain. What is the given? 0 comma infinity. Therefore range not equal to codomain. Range not equal to codomain. Therefore f is not onto. In this problem, what is the range of f? Range of f of 0 other than 1, less than 1. It is open interval. This is closed. But given codomain, what is given codomain? 0 comma. I think these are not equal. Range of f not equal to codomain. The function f. I think this problem, correct option is f is 1 1 but not onto. Option 2 is the correct. Thank you.